In this video, just we'll do some practicals. How can we organize our webinar through a very simple tool called Google Meet? So yes, Google Meets is the easiest way. So here nothing too much you have to do, only you have to create your account, or if you have a Gmail ID, so directly you can access this from here. So for that one, just you can type Google Meet, and after typing that you will be able to see, yes, this is the Google Meet, and just click on this. So simply it will ask you to log in with your Gmail ID, right? So here you come. So the first thing we'll understand, if you want to attend a meeting, right? So here you have to type the meeting code, and directly after typing that one, simply you can go on and you can attend the meeting. That's a simple process. And if you are organizing a webinar or organizing a meeting, so simply just you have to sign in it with your Google Mail ID, right? So here, for example, just I'm giving my credential over here, and so here that link will be opening. So if I want to start a new meeting, and if I want to host a webinar, right? So simply just I'll click on new meeting, and here the option it will be coming like get a meeting link to share, start an instant meeting, schedule on Google Calendar as well. So if you want to schedule your meetings, so definitely you can come and you can set the date and timing as well. So it will take you to the calendar, and here, so here just you can set your webinar timing and title and the location as well, and what will be the duration for that one. So simply you will be setting all the things over here, on which day, which time you want to set it, right? And here just you can write the description, and if you want to organize that meeting directly, so simply again you will be coming on this new meeting, and you can click on get a meeting link to share. So for that one, here it will be creating a meeting link set, simply that you can copy and you can send it to your user, or instantly meeting if you want to start. So again you have to click on meeting and start an instant meeting. So here just you have to allow your microphone and camera. From here just simply you can turn off camera and mic as well, right? And this will be the link if you'll be starting instantly meeting. So copy that link and you can share with your candidates, and after that you only have to click on join now. So again the meeting link it will be coming, and simply just you can copy and you can send it. So this meeting is live now. So once you're done with all those things, if your candidate will be joining over here, so just you can see the list over here, how many people have joined. And from this option, just simply you can type a message to your audiences, or the audience they will be typing a message over here. So you can simply can see that one. And this is the caption option. So whatever you'll be speaking, right? So if you want to, so the text content of the words, so simply just you can click on this one, and once if you'll start speaking on that, right? So like that, it will be capturing the yes caption over here. So as we can see, whatever I'm telling, uh, by default it is taking on the screen as well. So your user they can also see all these things. So that's the additional point over here, and simply you can make it turn off. And here if you want to share your screen, so simply just you have to click on this, and it is up to you the particular window you want to show to your users or your entire screen. So if you go to the particular window, so here whatever the window you have opened, right, so simply you can select that one and you can share it, so it will be live for your users, so your users can see your screen as well. And if you will be selecting your entire screen, so whatever the activity you will be doing from your system, your audience, your users, they will be able to see that. So this is very simple. No need to think too much over here for operating this tool. This is the easiest and simple way. And in the next video, just will be knowing about the premium tools of webinar. Coming to know about the using of the premium webinar tools, the famous tool is like the Zoom, WebEx, Webinar Jam. So here, just we'll search for the Zoom. Yes, this is the Zoom meeting. And once you click on this one, Zoom, so the portal of that Zoom.us, it will be opening. And here, what you have to do, you have to create an account over here, right? So if it is totally new, so here on the sign up option, you have to come and you have to create your account, right? Or simply just you can add your email ID, add your information, and also you have to verify your date of birth. So for example, just you will be selecting any date of birth, just you can take it from here, like this one. Just click on continue, and here you have to type your email address. So after that you'll have to create, I mean, set the password as well. So any random email just you can take. Right. Just click on sign up. So if you sign up, so definitely you will be getting a verification mail over there in that mail ID. And after clicking that link, you will be setting your username and password over this platform, right? And meanwhile, this is a portal, and from here, just you can download the Zoom meeting app. So directly you can run on your computer as well, right? So for that one, here, like it will be asking host a meeting or join a meeting. If you want to be the host, if you want to conduct the webinar, so definitely you'll coming over here and you'll be selecting the things like video off, video on, or you want to share only your screen. So all this option it will be coming, right? So now directly I'll sign up from here, and sorry, I will sign in from here, and I'll be typing my email address and password. Sign in over here. So yes, you can see your complete information over here. So this is the meeting ID. So when you will be inviting to the people, so you can send this meeting ID. So by typing this ID, people can join you. Otherwise, you can share this link to your audience as well. So with this link, they can also join. And here capacity is up to 100. So up to 100 participants, they can join your meeting ads. It's a free one. And if you will be purchasing the paid one, so definitely around 1000 audience can attend your webinar. Here you can set the date and time when you want to conduct the meeting, and sign in password. So yes, sign in password, you can change it, host key, and this is the host key that you can share with your users as well. So like that way, just you can check the backend part of this one. And after that, here you can see your meetings, webinars, and recording as well. So you can record your meeting or webinar as well, right? So simply that thing I will be telling you with the help of its application. So you can download the Zoom meeting app in your system or in your mobile, and from there you can directly host a meeting.